In the event of a flat tire, first, make sure you're parked on a firm, level surface safely away from traffic. Avoid ice or slippery areas. Turn the ignition off, turn the hazard lights on, and set the parking brake. If possible, block the front and rear of the tire diagonally opposite the jacking position. For example, if the left rear tire is damaged, block the right front tire. You'll find the jack tools and lug wrench in the rear cargo area. To remove the tools, first lift the load floor, then pinch the left side of the hardware storage cover and pull up to remove it. Then remove the toolkit. Now, remove the tire cover if equipped. Find the supplied toolkit inside the center console and use the number T40 Torx head driver to unlock the rear camera cover lock bolt. Turn the bolt once counterclockwise and remove the cover. Now, turn the lug nuts counterclockwise with the lug wrench. If equipped with locking lug nuts, you'll need to retrieve the lock key from the glove box and place that over the lug nuts first. Remove the lug nuts. Then, lift the spare tire away from the carrier. Return to the flat tire and loosen the lug nuts counterclockwise one turn while the wheel is still on the ground. Do not remove them yet. To assemble the jacking tools, connect the jack handle driver to the extension, then to the lug wrench. Place the jack under the axle tube closest to the flat tire. Do not raise the vehicle until you're sure the jack is fully engaged. Now, turn the jack screw clockwise and raise the vehicle until the tire just clears the ground with enough clearance to install the spare tire. Remember, minimum tire lift provides maximum stability. Okay, now go ahead and remove the lug nuts and wheel. Place the spare tire on the vehicle with the valve stem facing out. Damage can occur if you mount the spare incorrectly. Reinstall the lug nuts and lightly tighten them clockwise. Now, turn the jack screw counterclockwise to lower the vehicle. Once on the ground, remove the jack and finish tightening the lug nuts. Alternate lug nuts until each has been tightened twice. Maximum effort should be used for final tightening of the lug nuts. It's always a good idea to have the tightness checked with a torque wrench by an authorized dealer or at a service station. Now, just secure the tire, jack, and tools in their proper locations, and you're ready to go. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.